Oh my gosh, why would someone even post that?
Why you mad? Why you mad? You upset? You upset? Not my fault that life ain't turned out how you said. Not my fault. Now you sad. Now you sad. You a mess. You a mess. Bringing others down when someone tried their best. It ain't cool. Look at you. Look at you. Now look at me. Look at me. You just mad because I'm living on my dream. Keep it down. Keep it down. We had enough. I don't put myself around to neg it up. Yeah, I love myself. Is that so bad? No. It seems like every time I say it, someone pass out. No, they ain't doing well. I hope they come around. Ain't about the ego, but I still deserve the full amount.